Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. As you can see, I am outside today. I'm going to be cooking on a campfire. I'm going to make a delicious foil pack, a shrimp boil foil pack on the campfire. I love foil pack meals. I love cooking on a campfire. It's just so much fun. Your family will love it. If you go camping, it's perfect for that. So let me go over the ingredients that you will need to make your delicious shrimp boil foil pack. Okay, so you will need some shrimp and sausage. Now this shrimp has been frozen. I have just let it thaw. And then I am using kielbasa sausage. You can use andouille if you want. It just seems to be hard to find in our area. And then I have some potatoes, these little baby potatoes. Now these are pre-cooked. I boiled them until they were fork tender and let them cool. And then I've got some fresh corn on the cob that I have just cut into some smaller pieces. And then I've got red onion. Then you will need a little bit of butter, some Cajun seasoning, some pepper and salt. Okay guys, this is super easy. Now you will need some heavy duty aluminum foil. That is key. Make sure that you get the heavy duty. I'm just going to tear the foil into some sheets. And then I'm simply just going to add these ingredients onto my aluminum foil. All right, so I'm placing some potatoes on my foil and some pieces of corn. And some onion. And I'm going to go ahead and season a little bit, making sure that it is all really nice and seasoned. Put my sausage on here. And I'll put some shrimp. And I'm going to season again really well. Even going to give it just a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. All right, I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of butter. Then I'm going to wrap this up. So I'm just simply going to bring it together so I have both edges, and then I'm going to fold this down. And I kind of pinch as I go just to make sure it's nice and sealed. All right, so then I'm just going to turn it over and kind of pinch and roll each side. And there you go, one foil pack. All right, I'm going to make another one. Oh, almost forgot the butter. All right, foil pack number 2. All right, foil pack number 3. So now to just sit and relax in the shade and wait for them to cook, which it only takes about 15 minutes total. I give it about 10 minutes on the first side, then flip it over and cook it another 5 minutes on the other side, but the potatoes are already done. It doesn't take shrimp long to cook, so it's a pretty quick dinner. Okay, it's a moment of truth, guys. And I always get so excited to open up my foil packs. It's like opening up a present. Oh. Oh, yes. Check it out, guys. Beautiful. I am going to take a little bit of lemon juice and just squeeze some lemon juice over top. All right, here goes. That is so delicious. I gotta sample this corn. Oh yeah. Okay guys, you're definitely gonna want to give this shrimp boil foil pack a try. It is absolutely delicious. And if you are interested in other camping recipes, you can check out my playlist, my camping meals. I have several on there. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more recipes.